Launch PDFelement and then import your file to delete a watermark in PDF. To do this, you can click the Open Files button on the main interface and then select the target file from your local folder. Go to the Edit tab. From there, click Edit Watermark from the Watermark drop-down list. A pop-up window will show the existing watermark templates here below. You can also preview the file on the top of the window. Move your pointer onto the template you want to remove and click on the cross icon to delete it immediately. After that, hit Apply. Now the watermark has been successfully removed from your PDF file. You can then proceed with other edits to your PDF as needed. Start by opening a PDF file using the Open File button. Then go to the Edit tab and choose between line and paragraph editing mode from the drop-down list. Select the block of text you want to remove and hit the Delete key. If you have mistakenly deleted the text in your PDF file, you can instantly undo this action using the Undo button or shortcuts on your keyboard, such as Ctrl+Z. After making changes, click on the Save button under the File menu to save it to your computer. Start by opening a PDF document from the Recent list on the Welcome screen. Next, navigate to the Page tab to enter the page view. Select one or several pages you want to delete, and then click the trash can icon to finish the process. Or go back to the Print view by clicking on any other tab. Then click on the first icon in the left side column to call up the thumbnail pane. Select one or several pages with the help of the Control or Shift button. Right-click and find the Delete option. A dialog box will pop up for you to confirm that you did not make a mistake. Click OK and check your modified PDF. Launch PDFelement first. Click the Open Files button to browse and select your password-protected PDF file, or you can drag and drop the file in the program window directly. If your PDF document has a permission password restriction only, you can read it without any hassle. If your PDF document is also protected with an open password, you will need to type the password into the dial box to open the PDF. After opening the password-protected file, you can remove the passwords by clicking the Set Password button under the Protect tab. Type the permission password in the input box and click on OK. In the pop-up window, uncheck the passwords and save your settings.